Install Precedent hip restraints on deluxe seat cushions. To install the old-style Precedent hip restraints on a deluxe front seat cushion, you will first need to make some modifications. Mark perpendicular lines on the base tops from the center of the mounting point holes on both the driver's side and the passenger side hip restraint. Next, drill out the existing holes to 5/16 of an inch in the driver's side and passenger side hip restraint bases. The Precedent hip restraints need 2 inline hardware holes 1 1/4 inch apart per base to mount them to the 2 corresponding inline seat base installation points. The next step is to create these 2 new holes. Now, measure the second installation point holes. With this example method, temporarily fasten the driver's side hip restraint to the outer inline installation hole using the provided 1/4 by 1.5 inch hex bolts. Note, the slope of the hip restraint always face the front seat tilt clips. Keep the measure horizontal and mark a point 1 1/4 inches from the center of the hex bolt along the perpendicular line to determine the center position for the new installation holes on both bases. Now, drill a 5/16 inch hole completely vertical through the top surface wall on each of the hip restraint bases. Next, install the driver's side hip restraint using the provided 1/4 by 1.5 inch hex bolts, lock washers, and washers to fasten it to the inner holes in the seat base. Then, with a heavy-duty cutter, carefully and methodically cut away and remove the internal fins from around the newly created second installation holes. When the modifications are completed, use the rest of the hex bolts, lock washers, and washers to fasten the driver's side hip restraint to the seat base. Take care to not over-torque the wood seat base during fastening. Repeat the process on the other side for the passenger side hip restraint. Finally, remove the 4 rubber bushings from the seat cushion base. The deluxe seat cushion with the old-style Precedent hip restraints is now ready to place on the golf cart. DoubleTake, because looks matter.